Viewers, a warm welcome to all of you to this Elite Enlighten English channel, Enrichment of Vocabulary, Day 11. I hope you are all staying safe and healthy. Please watch this video, and those who are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe. If you subscribe, then only you will get a notification. Don't forget to press the notification button also. You will get notification of my videos then and there. Yesterday one of the viewers asked a doubt, and many viewers stressed to tell in Tamil, since it is the cultivation of English language, we must avoid the vernacular language. Anyway, I will explain the difficult parts. Yesterday one of the viewers didn't understand biennial and biannual. Biannual means வருடத்திற்கு இரண்டு முறை. Twice in a year. That is வருடத்திற்கு இருமுறை or இரண்டு முறை. Biennial once in 2 years. இரண்டு ஆண்டுகளுக்கு ஒரு முறை நடக்கும் நிகழ்ச்சி. So that is the thing. So with this, let us go to the today's session. Today is the first pairs of words, breakout and outbreak. Breakout, both of breakout and outbreak, both indicates the actions or incidents or phenomena occur suddenly, not a gradual one, suddenly, திடீரென்று நடைபெறும் நிகழ்ச்சிகள். Breakout, that is, many prisoners escaped from the gaol or jail. Gaol is an American English word, jail is an British English, prison. Jail, prison are both one and the same. So, suddenly many prisoners escaped from the jail. That is called breakout. Outbreak, the outbreak of pandemic disease. A suitable example today we can say of COVID-19. That is outbreak, spreads suddenly in the form of disease. Okay, pandemic disease, infectious disease. So COVID-19 is outbreak in the year 2020. We can say all over the world. USA stood first, India stood second. We should not be proud of to say that India stands second in the outbreak of the COVID-19. No, it is a failure of our efforts. Okay, though we have a lot of population, but affected is less, but it is not a point of consolation. We should not say like that. Okay, now let us go to the next one. I think you have understood clearly breakout and outbreak. With this hope, I moved on to the next one. Breathe, breath, breath, breath. Breathe, breathe. Breath is a noun, breathe is a verb. Breath is just inhaling, exhaling, no? Moochi. Breathe, the act of breathing. The act of breathing, moochi vidu. Okay. So, likewise you have cloth and cloth, the difference. I will tell you at that time. Now let us go to the, so breathe is moochu. Breath is moochi, breathe is moochi vidu. That is, breath is a noun, breathe is a verb. Okay. Slowly breathe. Breathe slowly, gradually. Doctors used to say, no? Okay. Canon, canon. Double N and single N. C-A-N-N-O-N, C-A-N-O-N. Both are nouns, same pronunciation. First canon, that is single N. That is a law, rule, a order, an order. Okay. The second one, canon, it is a type of gun, a large, huge gun. Okay. 1, 2, 3, fourth pair of words we can go. Canvas, canvas, single S and double S. Canvas, single S. It is a cloth. Canvas is a type of cloth. Canvas bag, we say, canvas shoe. You ask your father, Papa, when you are in school or college, you ask your father, Papa, I want canvas shoe. Okay, canvas shoe, canvas. Canvas is a type of cloth, and it is also used to make tent. கூடாரம் அமைக்க பயன்படும் in Tamil we say. What about the WS canvas? Canvassing during the election. We say a poll campaign, that is called canvas. Canvas is nothing but collecting votes. You give some promises to the people and you ask them to vote for you. Okay, that is called canvas. So he was canvassing in the election. He was canvassing for his son-in-law in the election. Even when you say job opportunities, wanted column in newspaper you might have seen. There they will specify this sentence. What is that? Canvassing in any form is a disqualification. See, if you want to get a job in a reputed concern, you seek some recommendation. So canvassing, that is also a type of recommendation. It leads to disqualification. It leads to disqualification. So you should not go for canvassing in any form to get the job, to obtain the job. That is a disqualification. And then the last pair of words of today's session, capsize and overturn. Both are verbs. Kavil or kavilthu vidu. Okay, that is the meaning. But there is a difference. Kappal kavildal, that is called a capsize. But a lorry or bus, if they fall down, we say overturn. So that is the meaning difference. Capsize is pertaining only to ships, whereas overturn is pertaining to lorry, bus, any other type of four-wheelers. Okay, four-wheelers. Sometimes we usually put the furniture, for example, chair, table, stool, in an upturned manner, overturned. That is called they are overturned. They are overturned. Okay, so capsize, overturn, that is the difference. Capsize pertaining only to the ship. கப்பல் கவிழ்ந்தால் அதுக்கு capsize என்ற அர்த்தம். மற்றபடி லாரி, பஸ்ஸு இதெல்லாம் ஓவர்டர்ன் சொல்லுவோம். நம்ம வீட்டில் சேர் இதெல்லாம் நம்ம சில சமயம் என்ன பண்ணுவோம், கவிழ்த்து போடுவோம். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஆல்சோ கால்டு overturn. For some of the viewers, on the request to say in Tamil, I use Tamil today, where there is no because I have to balance all the people. So it is very difficult for me. Whom should I heed and whom should not I heed? But all are equal to me. All are important to me. So in order to make you understand, I can use the vernacular language, though it is difficult for me. Anyway, so I wish you all the best to learn more and more words, and it is also a chance for me to refresh my knowledge. Okay, thank you for your continuing patronage, and I expect your patronage further by sharing of these videos to your friends and relatives, and make them subscribe the channel. So definitely you will be benefited. With this hope, I wind up this today's session, and I will meet you tomorrow with some other words. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you very much.